Hi, today I'm making a chicken marinade. I'm going to start with 2 chicken breasts and a tablespoon of hickory balsamic vinegar, 2 cups of water. I'm going to have a half an orange, an eighth of a cup of red bell pepper, 2 stalks of green onion, a tablespoon of fresh oregano, and 2 chopped cloves of garlic. And then I'm going to add that with a stalk of rosemary, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to also put a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce in the 1/4 cup of olive oil. And you see there I'm adding the orange juice and all of the vegetables to the mixer. I use chicken breast because chicken breast is given a bad rap. It often is dry, but if you marinate it well, it will be tender. And so you're going to marinate this chicken for about an hour and then bake it on 350 for about 25 minutes. And it will come out tender and juicy and something that's really a great lunch and or dinner dish.